Good morning. Module 3, that is the trip generation. Okay, module 3, that is the trip generation. See, the first phase of transportation planning process deals with surveys, data collection and inventory, which we have studied in our second module. There we studied how to conduct the survey, how to collect the data and how to do the inventory. We have learned that in our previous chapter. Okay, the very next phase, see, the very next phase is the analysis of the data so collected. We have to do the analysis of the data what we have collected, and we have to build the models. We have to build the models to establish the mathematical relationship. We have to establish the mathematical relationship that is used to represent the trip making behavior. Okay, to know the trip making behavior, we have to represent that by mathematical relationship, means we have to establish the mathematical equation. Okay, see, the analysis and model building phase starts with commonly known step. The analysis and model building phase starts with the step commonly known as the trip generation, that is the trip generation. In this stage we are going to do the analysis and we are going to build the model, means we are going to establish the mathematical equation. We are going to establish the mathematical relationship between the trips produced and causes for the trips. The aim or the objective of the trip generation stage is to know the, means to understand the reason behind the trip making behavior and to produce the mathematical relationship, to synthesize, means to combine the trip making pattern based on, okay, based on the observed trips, land use or household characteristics. Okay, based on this data we are going to provide the future requirements. We are going to provide the future requirements by planning, by collecting the data. Okay, for what the trips are generating, we have to we have to observe the present trips based on land use or socio-economic characteristics. If you take the area which is developed for purely residential, okay, that generates less number of trips when compared to the area which is developed industrially. Okay, when compared to industrial area, in case of residential area, the trips generated will be very less. And also if you consider household characteristics, see, in case of household characteristics, if you consider two families, one family will consist of 4 members, okay, another family will be consist of 8 to 10 members. Okay, see, as the bigger the family, the number of trips generated will also be more. Okay, it depends upon the household characteristics. Okay, next, what you mean by trip? What is trip? See, a trip is a one-way person movement by a mechanized mode of transport. Okay, it is a mechanized mode of transport, okay, which is having 2 trip ends. There will be 2 trip ends, that is, one is starting and the another one is the end point. Okay, that is origin and the destination, whereas origin is the starting point and destination is the end point. Okay, the trip may be for shopping purpose or working purpose, or it may be school purpose trips irbodu, athwa it may be college purpose trips or recreation trips. Okay, the purpose of the trips depends upon individual characteristics. Next, see, this trip generation is classified into home based trips and non home based trips. First, home based trips. See, these home based trips are those having one end of the trip at the home of the person making the trip. The person who is making the trip, okay, one end will be at the home. As we know, the trip consists of 2 ends. One is the starting and the another one is the end point, that is origin and the destination. One end will end at the home only. 90% of the travel will have this type of trips. For example, you can observe here. See, the trip starts from home to work, again from work to home. For example, if you take myself, my journey started, my origin point is home and I reached the working station. Now my trip attracted towards the working station, that is college. You can observe here the trips from home to work, again it will reciprocal, again from work to home. Similarly, in home you can consider if there are school going children, their starting point will be home and it will be attracted towards the school purpose trips, evening, again from school to home. So there will be one end will be at the home itself. Okay, home to shop. As we know, in our day-to-day life, we may go for shopping. Okay, from home to shopping, again from shopping to home. Similarly, home to for any other personal work. After finishing our personal work, again we will come back to our home. These are the home-based trips. Next, non-home based trips. See those trips, okay, those having neither end at the home of the person making the trip. See, in case of this, both these trips are non-home based. Okay, here end, it will be not, it won't end at the home. Okay, for example, from working to shopping. Okay, after finishing our work, we may go for shopping purpose, or the hotel, for any other business work, or from work to for another work. Okay, from working place we may go for another working purpose. From working station we may move for another work. Okay, these are the example for the non-home based trips. Okay, in case of this non-home based trips, the end will be not at the home. Okay, in case of home based trips, any one end will be at the home. Okay, next, see, these trip ends are classified into trip generation and trip attraction. Okay, as we know, the trip has two ends. One is the starting point, another one is the destination, end point. Okay, depending upon the destination point, the trips will be generated. Okay, there will be a trip generation. Starting point will be the trip generation and the destination point. Okay, where the trips is attracting, that is the attraction point. See, a generation is the home end of any trip. Okay, generation is the home end of any trip that has one end at the home. Okay, that has the one end at the home, that is the home based trips, and it is the origin of the trip, it is the origin point of the trip. Okay, a trip generation, that is the origin point of the trip. Okay, next, attraction. What do you mean by attraction? See, an attraction is the non-home end. Okay, non-home end of a home based trips. Okay, it will start from home but it won't end at the home. Okay, it may end at the working station or for any other purpose, for it may be for shopping or visiting any offices. That is the attraction purpose, that is the purpose is the attraction point. Any trip that will have, due to some reason we are going to make the trip, that is the attraction. Next, any trip. Okay, in any trip, the total number of trips generated in any area, okay, in any area, that should be equal to, the total number of trip generation should be equal to total number of trip attraction. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ the total number of trip generation in any area, that should be equal to total number of trip attraction. Okay, next, trip purpose. See, the trip purpose means the trips will be generated due to several reasons. There will be various reasons to make the trips. See, the trips are made for different purposes and a classification of trips by a purpose is necessary. We should know the purpose of the trip, means to provide the facilities for future. Okay, to provide the future transportation facilities, we should know the trip in that area. Okay, there may be working purpose trips, school going trips irbodu, athwa shopping purpose trips irbodu. Okay, see, the following are some of the important classes of trips which are identified, means the trip purposes are identified, that are commonly in our day-to-day life we make these trips, that are the working purpose trips, work trips, school trips, business, social and recreational, sports and others. See, for example, if you consider your family, so the head of the family, that is father, he will be working, he has to daily do working trips. If there is a school going children, they will make school purpose trips or college purpose trips. Similarly, there may be sports, recreation purpose, means visiting the shopping malls irbodu athwa visiting the mall, theaters, like that. That are the other reasons for the trips. Next, factors which affect the trip generation and attraction. Okay, based on this factors, the trips will be generated and attracted. See, the first factor is the income. Second, car ownership. Next, that is the family size and composition. Next, land use characteristics. Next, distance of the zone from the city center. Next, accessibility to public transportation system and its efficiency. Lastly, employment opportunities, floor space in the industrial and offices and shopping units. Next, the first factor is the income. Obviously, family income, which represents its ability to pay for a journey, that affects the trip generation by a household. Okay, it depends upon the income of the family. Okay, income of the family, higher the income. Okay, if income, we have a more income, at that time we may make more number of trips, because it indicates our ability to pay will be more when the income is more. There is a general trend. What is the general trend? Higher the income, higher will be the trip generation rate. As the income increases, there will be increase in the trip generation. It is directly proportional. Okay, as income increases, there will be increase in the trip generation. If you consider the low income group people, they make less number of trips when compared to high income group people. Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, they make more number of trips when compared with the low income group peoples. Okay, next factor is the car ownership. Here car ownership means that is the private vehicle ownership. That vehicle may be two-wheeler or four-wheeler. See here, a car represents easy mobility. As we know, our vehicle will give comfort, pleasure, okay, and convenient. We will have a more flexibility that attracts us to use our own vehicle, private vehicle. See here, and then say car owning household will generate more number of trips when compared to non-car owning household. Okay, the family, okay, ಯಾವ family car ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ private vehicle ಇರ್ತದೆ, they make more number of trips when compared with the non-car owning household. ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ when compared to car owning family or household. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ನಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ ಓನಿಂಗ್ ಹೌಸ್ಹೋಲ್ಡ್. ಯಾರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ, ಆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇರೋರು ಅಂಥವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್, ದಿ ಮೋರ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್. ಆಸ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ number of trips. See, the first factor which we studied, that is the income. As income increases, that will show ability to purchase or buy the vehicle. Alva, nama income ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು, as we have studied, we are ready to pay for the journey. Nama income ಇದ್ರೇನೆ we are ready to buy the private vehicle. As the number of vehicle increases, there will be increase in number of trips also. Okay, which we have studied in our first factor, that is the income. Next factor, that is the family size and composition. See, the bigger the family, the more trips they are likely to be generated. If you consider the family with 4 members, you consider another family with 10 members, okay, which makes more number of trips. The family which consists more members, that is 10 members, okay, 10 members are on the family, they make more number of trips when compared to family which has only 4 members, okay, they make more number of trips. See, apart from the size and composition, means apart from the size, the composition of the family itself is very important. Okay, for instance, if both husband and wife are employed, the trips generated will be more when only the husband is employed. When only the husband is working, the income will be less. When both are working, husband and wife, the income will be more. The income of the family will be more. They make more number of trips. Okay, their ability to pay for journey, to buy the vehicle, it will be increased. As the income increases, we are ready to buy our own vehicle. As vehicle means, as we have vehicle, we make more number of trips. If more number of vehicles we have means, we will make more number of trips. Okay, similarly, if there are many school going children in the household, maneli school going children sidra, the school purpose trips will be more. And also, if we consider the age structure, okay, age structures in the family, okay, the elder one, older persons are not expected to generate more number of trips when compared to younger ones. If you take ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥವ್ರು, ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂತ್ಸು, ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಏಜ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಏಜ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಓಡಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಏಜ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. If you consider the gender, okay, male and female, see the male trips will be more than the female trips. Okay, always the male trips will be more, but today there may be equal. Okay, they are also contributing equally to the society. Earlier there were male trips were more. Next factor, that is the land use characteristics. See, the land use is one of the major attributes of trip generation activities because it can be predicted through high degree of accuracy. Based on this land use characteristics, land ಏತಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, based on this we can predict the number of trips. See, different land use produces different rate of trip generation. Okay, see, the different land use produces the different trip generation rate. Okay, depending upon the land use, the trips will be generated. Next, for example, if you consider a residential area with a high density of dwellings can produce more trips than the low density of dwellings. See, the dwellings means that is the houses are flats. In case of high density dwellings, where we will come across the high density of dwellings, where the low income group will be inhabited. Okay, that may be slums athwa squatters anta irtivi. Okay, there the flat size will be very less. Okay, the plot size, okay, that may be not more than 30-40. Okay, in smaller space, okay, more number of people will be living. Okay, as more number of people will be living means that will generate more number of trips when compared with the low density dwellings. Okay, in case of low density dwellings, here the plot size means the house site size will be bigger. If you take example in case of Mysore, that may be Jayalakshmipuram athwa Vantikopal, if you see there the site dimension, the plot size will be bigger, that may be 80 by 120 or 100 by 200. Okay, for bigger plot less number of people will be living. Okay, one family irtade, ashtu bigger plot ge only there will be one family. Okay, this will generate less number of trips when compared to high density of dwellings. Next, on the other hand, okay, if you consider on the other hand, the low density areas may represent dwellings of the well-off society. Okay, where there will be a low density. Okay, low density of dwellings elli irtade godagtiya, kammi mane elli irtade. Okay, that represents well-off society. Well-off society means rich people, posh ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹೈ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರೋಂಥವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಮೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಮೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ large number of private car trips. If you consider the high density of dwellings, they depend more on the public transport because their income will be less. Okay, their income will be less. So high density of dwellings people means alli low income baruvantaru. Okay, they depend more on the public transport, that may be buses irbodu, metro athwa suburban rails. Okay, they depend upon the public transport. Okay, where there will be a low density, okay, in that area they make more number of private car trips. See, the rateable value of the dwelling and type of dwelling units affects the trip generation rate. Okay, see, by observing the dwelling unit means that house or flat, we can rate that. Okay, if they are low income group athwa high income group barantara anta navu rate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And also depending upon the dwelling unit whether it is big or small, we can predict their trips, makes they are making ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ trips, okay, that depends upon the land use, for what purpose the land has been used, depending upon that the trips will be generated. Okay, if you consider the residential area, there will be a less number of trips. If you consider the commercial area where there will be more economic activity, there will be more number of trips. Similarly, in case of industries, okay, in industrial area there will be more number of trips. It depends upon the land use. Okay, the amount of trips depends upon the amount of travel depends upon the land use. Next factor, that is the distance of zone from the city center or town center. See, the distance of this zone from the town center is an important determinant. Okay, it is an important determinant of the amount of travel that people might like to make to the town center. Okay, might like to make to the city center. See, farther the town center, the less will be the number of trips likely to be occur. If you consider, if your home, if it is far away from the city center, for example, if you consider Bangalore, okay, if you want to move to city center from one area, okay, from that area the city center might be 10 kilometer. To reach the 10 kilometer, it may take 1 hour due to the traffic congestion. Okay, as the farther and also time factor, this avoids our movement to the city center. Okay, if we are near to the city center, at that time we are going to make more number of trips. If there is a nearby area, shopping area irbodu, if you consider in Bangalore, okay, if we are near to MG road athwa Brigade road, okay, if we are near to that, we may make more number of trips. Athwa shopping mall hatra namma mane idre 1 or 2 kilometers near idre, we may visit regularly to the shopping complexes, like that. Okay, if the developed area, city center, if it is very near to our home, okay, we may make more number of trips. If it is farther away from our zone, okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೂರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we will avoid our trips. Okay, it depends upon the distance from the zone to city center. Next factor, that is the accessibility to public transport system and its efficiency. See the accessibility to public transport system and its efficiency determine to some extent the desire of persons to make trips. It depends upon the public transport system and its efficiency. If you have a well public transport system, see, if you have a metro, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ, ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, okay, there will be easy access and also convenience ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, and also it takes less time to move longer distance. At that time the people will be attracted to use the public transportation system. Okay, if we provide good public transportation system with higher efficiency, that will generate more trips. Okay, an easy accessible and efficient public transport system generates more trips. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಈಸಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಿತ್ ಹೈ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬರ್ಬನ್ ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೋನೋ ರೈಲ್ಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಈ ಥರದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್. Last factor, that is employment opportunities, floor space in the industries and shopping units and the offices. See, if you consider, see the employment potential of an industrial or shopping unit or in office establishment, it directly governs the trip rates. Okay, it directly governs the trip rates. Similarly, another factor, okay, what is the another factor? It depends upon the floor space of the industries or shopping units. If you consider a big shopping unit, that may be big mall, it attracts the more number of people as well as more number of workers. Okay, similarly industry, it depends upon the potential of the industry, what they are making. Okay, depending upon that, the number of employers will be employed, and also it depends upon the floor space. Similarly for the offices, okay, as it bigger ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನು more number of employees will be working. These are the factors which generates and which attracts the trips. The first one is the income. As our income increases, our ability to pay for the journey also increases. As our ability to pay increases, we are going to make more number of trips. Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೆ income ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, they make more income when compared to low income groups. Next, car ownership means private car means private vehicle ownership. Who has private vehicle? Because as we know, the private vehicle gives more convenient, flexibility, comfort for our movement. We may make more number of trips. Alva, namma vehicle iddag ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we make more number of trips. Okay, because we have more flexibility. Next factor, that is the family size and its composition. Okay, the trip generation will depend upon the size of the family. How many members are there in the family? Depending upon that, the trip will be generated. Next, based on the age structure. Adhe tara, based on the gender, the trips will be generated. Land use characteristics. Based on the land use, the trips will be generated. If it is developed for the land has been developed for the residential area, the trips will be less when compared to when the land has been used for the industrial area. Okay, in industrial area the trips will be more. Adhe tara commercial area, the trips will be more. Depending upon the land use, the trips will be generated. Next, depending upon the distance of the zone from the city center. Okay, if our place means if our area or zone, if it is near to the city center, at that time we are like to make more number of trips. We may visit frequently. That may be theater, mall, shopping complexes irbodu ಅಥವಾ commercial area irbodu. If it is very near to our zone, to our area, we may visit frequently. Next, accessibility to public transport system and its efficiency. If you have a good public transport system, okay, at that time we may attracted to make more trips because we have more convenient. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? If you take example any metropolitan cities, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, congestion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. At that time, if you have a good public transportation system, this attracts to make more trips. Lastly, employment opportunities, floor space in the industry and shopping units and office. It depends upon the potential of that industry. It depends upon the potential of that industry. Okay, it may attract more number of workers. Similarly, it depends upon the floor space of that industry. Athwa shopping unit, if you take any mall, big mall, okay, it attracts more number of people as well as the more number of workers. It depends upon the floor space of that shopping unit. Next topic, that is the multilinear regression analysis technique. See, this is the most common technique employed in establishing trip generation equation. That is the multilinear regression analysis technique. This technique will be used to fit the mathematical relationship between the dependent and independent variable. This technique will be used to generate the trip generation equation, means to fit the mathematical relationship between the dependent and independent variable. What do you mean by dependent and independent variable? See, in case of trip generation equation, see the dependent variable is the number of trips. What are the trips generated? That are the dependent variable. What do you mean by independent variable? The independent variables are the land use and socio-economic characteristics. Okay, that are the measurable factors which we have studied. That may be income, car ownership, family size and its composition, land use. These are the measurable factors. Okay, these are used to predict the trips. Okay, lastly, see, this is the general form of the trip generation equation, okay, that yp is equal to a1 x1 plus a1 into x2 plus a3 into x3. See here, you can observe what is yp. Yp is the number of trips, that is the dependent variable, where yp is the dependent variable. Yp is number of trips for specified purpose p, okay. It depends upon the independent variable, okay, where yp is the dependent variable. x1, x2, x3, they are the independent variable. For example, land use characteristics athwa socio-economic characteristics, or it may be income, or it may depend upon the family size and its composition, or it may be car ownership. These are the independent variables, okay. These are the factors, okay. Depending upon this, the trips will be generated. Next, a1, a2, a3, these are the coefficients of respective independent variable x1, x2, x3. These are the coefficients for the independent variable x1, x2, x3. Lastly, u, that is the distribution term, means that is the constant, okay, that is the constant used in the equation. Lastly, the equation thus developed is used for determining the future values of trips by knowing the estimated future values of the independent variables, okay. By studying about the independent variables, we know what are the independent variables. That may be income, car ownership, athwa family size and its composition, athwa land use, athwa socio-economic characteristics. Based on this, we can predict the future trips, alva. Illi future ಏನು land use ಆಗ್ತದೆ, whether it may be used for residential area ಅಥವಾ industrial area ಬರ್ತದ ಅಥವಾ commercial area ಬರ್ತದ. Based on that, we can predict the trips, number of trips. So by generating this trip generation equation, we can predict the future number of trips. See, these trips will be generated based on the independent variables. Using this independent variable, we can predict the future values of the trips.